All right, now that I successfully fixed one, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it yourself. Step one, remove the 4 screws out in the back. Take the cover off. Oop, be careful. This off right there. Now we're gonna disconnect the antenna. Like that, voila. You see these little clips right here? You're gonna take those out. You're gonna pry to the side, that, and then slide down and then move the board. So those little clips could be a little pain in the butt. I will go start with this end and then go work on this corner, then do that one, and then once you shift it like that, then it'll be able to come out. There we have it. Them 4 screws on the back, we're gonna remove those. Remove 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove those screws. Once the 4 screws is out, we're gonna remove the heat sink with the fan. Boom, ta-da, that's that. Put that somewhere where you're not gonna make a mess. This is the motherboard that we're gonna flash. You wanna pop this out. I don't know, I see physical damage with this board. Hopefully it'll take the transfer. We're gonna put our chip in here. Now that we have the motherboard on the transfer board, now it's time to connect it to the computer. Thus that is connected. Also, you gotta make sure you turn it on to USB on so the computer can read the little device. Now it's talking, it's communicating. You see the blinking lights? Let's get ready to rumble. So now we're gonna open up Balena Etcher and we're gonna flash from file, select Helium, open, select target. You wanna select compute module, select, and then hit flash. And then that's the process. And then once you do that, you let it do its thing. You let it flash. This process takes about 15 minutes. But once that's done, you put everything back in the reverse procedure, connect it to Ethernet, and you'll be back up and running.